Imagine you're a financial analyst sitting at your desk, surrounded by charts and spreadsheets. A new earnings report is about to drop for SoFi, a fintech giant. So, the big question is SoFi expected to beat earnings this quarter? Let's dive in and find out. Before we get to the numbers, let's take a quick look at what SoFi has been up to lately. The company has been making waves in the fintech industry with its innovative products and services. From personal loans and refinancing to investing and banking, SoFi has been expanding its offerings at a rapid pace. One of the key factors driving SoFi's growth has been the increasing demand for digital financial services. As more and more people turn to online platforms for their financial needs, SoFi has been well positioned to capitalize on this trend. Now, let's talk about the metrics that will be crucial to SoFi's earnings report. Here are a few key areas to keep an eye on. Revenue growth. How has SoFi's top line performed? Has the company been able to increase its revenue at a sustainable rate? Customer acquisition. Has SoFi been successful in attracting new customers to its platform? This is a critical metric for any fintech company. Loan portfolio quality. How has SoFi's loan portfolio been performing? Are there any signs of delinquency or charge-offs? Operating expenses. Has SoFi been able to control its costs? This will have a significant impact on its profitability. Based on the information available, analysts have been generally optimistic about SoFi's prospects. Many have predicted that the company will beat earnings expectations for the quarter. However, there are also some concerns about potential headwinds, such as rising interest rates and increased competition. The market's reaction to SoFi's earnings report will likely be influenced by a number of factors. If the company beats expectations, we can expect a positive response from investors. However, if the results fall short, the stock price could take a hit. So, is SoFi expected to beat earnings? Based on the available information, the consensus among analysts seems to be positive. However, there are always risks involved, and the market's reaction can be unpredictable. With that said, thanks for watching. If you want to stay up to date on the latest news and analysis related to SoFi and other fintech companies, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Until next time.